Hey guys, Southeast Softwash. It's Friday morning, the 16th, day after my anniversary. Going to do a quick walkthrough this morning. It's about 15 minutes till 9. Got a bunch of guys sitting out there in the parking lot that are about to be inside here to take their training. Most of this equipment is going to leave out of here today. I think 5 units, and then we got some more guys that couldn't make it today that'll be here next week. We just want to kind of do a quick walkthrough with you guys and let you see what we've accomplished last week. We're rolling pretty hot on production. So we've got a trailer. This one will be leaving today. One of our tandem axle trailers, 5.5 belt drive, pressure washer, plumbed up to the water tank there. 100-gallon water tank on this one. Bleach tank, 100 gallons. And pretty nice trailer. This one's ready to go. It didn't get the LED lights, but it's pretty much got everything else. We'll go down this way. We've got this is a dual blend plus. Feed hose, upgraded pressure washer hose on the other side with a surface cleaner. This one's actually getting picked up by the FAA. The Federal Aviation Administration is purchasing this one. It's just a straight soft wash system. They've got some little fiberglass buildings at these regional airports that they need to maintain, and this is going to do that for them. So they actually going to run this one, see how it goes. They may come back and buy some more of these units for different regions of the country. So that's pretty cool. Got another dual blend plus right here. These two are identical. This one has 2 electric reels. The reels that are on the bed side, not the soft wash reels, but the ones that are on the lower shelves. But other than that, that and that are the exact same thing. So I don't think this guy is coming today, but that one is coming today. So those are pretty much twins. We've got a mini skid plus right here, ready to go out with an electric start pressure washer. 100 foot of pressure wash hose, ready to go. Like, nothing on these could be any bigger. We were talking about this yesterday. It's dimensionally, it's just the exact dimension that it needs to be, so we get lucky on those. We've got another regular mini skid here, just a soft wash system. I think this one's leaving out today, going to New Jersey. This is a little kit we built for a local guy. Before you guys start blowing us up, we do not build and ship and sell these. This guy is local. He's bringing his truck by, and we're going to set it down for him. So we've done a couple of these. Leon Johns has one of these from us, strictly for local dudes only. Like, it's very easy to put this little thing together. So he called and asked if we could just, basically he's got a big trailer that's already got everything on it for pressure washing. So he's going to plumb it up and have him a little soft wash system there. So that's what that is. We've got another dual blend plus right here. I don't think this one is leaving out today. All it needs is the ladder rack, and we shot that yesterday with Raptor liner. So we'll get the ladder rack put on this one before we get out of here today, just so it'll be completed. And this one will be just the same as those two over there in the corner. Let's come back here. We've got a aluminum trailer. This is the last of the aluminum trailers. So we've discontinued this model. It's a really nice setup, but the problem is we can't keep sourcing these trailers. They don't make enough of them, and we've got all of our fabrication measurements laid out for that specific model trailer. We may do another aluminum one in the future if we can find a trailer that we can get a lot of. We have a lot of problems with getting enough materials to meet the demand that you guys are ordering, and trailers is one of those things. So like even the steel trailers, we're having an issue right now. We're about 2 trailers behind getting them from our factory that makes them for us every week. So it's just the struggles of making this much equipment. You know, we're basically making more equipment in a month than the supply chain can keep up with. So it's just it's a fun problem to have. But we've got the Alumimax Pro right here. This one's not sold. This is kind of our shop unit. We prototype spec this one out for our first aluminum skid. I really like it. I haven't sold it. I'm actually not going to sell this one. I'm going to keep it. Depending on our hose reel flow, I may have to pull these hose reels back off to use on another build that's upcoming. Now, if we get another big chunk of hose reels in, I'm going to be able to keep this skid just like it is and not have to scavenge off of it. So once we get that figured out, I may wind up selling this one. I may just wind up keeping this one because I do like to have a skid here in the shop for demos and stuff like that. So Alumimax Pro, but you can order one and it'll be in the queue. So if you're interested in getting one of these, this is our new series of skids. Come in here and let's show them something really cool. I don't know if the lighting is gonna pick it up, but we've got these little ports here. So now This is the fastest pump change out in the world. When you need to change your pump, you just unplug the pump and slide it off of these 4 bolts right here and plug the new one back up. It's very solid. It's not coming off anytime soon. It's on there, but it's just a whole lot easier to swap out. So plug it up, unplug it. We could get the little aluminum box in. That'll hold a gas can or a couple gallons of surfactant, whatever you want to put on there, just for extra stuff. So a lot. We'll go back over here and show them what Ty, who's holding the camera, and Dusty, we've had a very productive week this week. I think when we left out of here last Friday, Ty, the only thing that was done was this trailer and the Alumimax, and maybe something else was over here. I can't remember. So we've built a whole bunch of crap in a week's time, and we've actually got a really good jump on this trailer yesterday. So they're going to be working on this trailer, probably get it close to done this afternoon, and then there's another skid over there that's kind of just barely getting started. So guys, we are rolling hot. We are in full swing mode. As long as we get parts, you know, we're knocking these builds out. If you can see the whiteboard up there, it kind of maintains that amount of customers on the board. Every Friday, we wipe them all off that leave, and we kind of add back to it. So if you're in the queue, we're getting there. It's much better than it was a couple months ago when we were kind of getting up to speed on the builds and running out of hose reels and all that stuff. So very, very proud of the progress we've made this week. It's awesome. The shop has never been this full of equipment, so very cool. We're going to get these guys in here, get them trained up today, and get them off to the race so they can take these units and go make a bunch of money with them. All right, we'll check in with you guys probably later today. We're going to go do a little vinyl wash and possibly a little small roof cleaning job if it doesn't rain on us. So we'll see you guys later.